How to change language on FIFA Mobile. First, open your FIFA Mobile application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you end up in this page, tap on the settings or the gear button at the top right hand corner. Now, scroll a bit down and you'll be able to see the select language option. Tap the pencil icon right next to select language and choose your preferred language by tapping on the select button right next to the language. Now tap the continue button and you'll be able to change your language on FIFA Mobile, as you can see on the display. Pretty simple, isn't it? That is how you can easily change language on FIFA Mobile. How to change your name in FIFA Mobile. If you are looking for a way to change your name on FIFA Mobile, then we have a bad news for you. There is currently no way you can change your name on FIFA Mobile, since the username that you type in while creating your account is permanent. If you still want to change your name or your username, you'll have to create a new FIFA Mobile account. If you would like to delete your account, simply go and tap on the gear icon at the top right hand corner from the main home page of FIFA Mobile. Scroll down and tap on the arrow right next to account deletion at the bottom. Now, if you continue deleting your account, it'll also delete all the relevant information from your game data and progress, accounts balances, points, coins and gems, purchased items. Your friends will also be deleted. To delete your account, tap on the little square at the bottom to ensure that you agree and wish to continue deleting your account. After you're sure you'd like to move forward, tap on delete at the bottom. Now, once deleting your account, create a new account and type in the new name you'd like to change to when it asks for you to create a username. How to change audio language on FIFA Mobile. To do so, first open your FIFA Mobile application. Now, log into your account as well, if necessary. Once you're inside the main home page, tap on the gear icon located at the top right hand corner. In this page, scroll down and tap on audio settings. Here, you can either download the stadium sound effects by tapping the download button right next to stadium sound effect and start the downloading process. If you want to change your commentary audio settings, then go ahead and select the language from the list and tap on the download button that you would like to download commentary language. Tap on the start button to begin the downloading process and wait until it completes. Here in this video, I'm going to show you how to download the French audio language. Once the download is completed, you can now keep this toggle button enabled for the particular language that you've just downloaded. Once you've done that, you'll be able to set or change audio language on FIFA Mobile. Pretty simple, isn't it? How to redeem codes on FIFA Mobile. To do so, open your web browser and in the search box type in origin.com and search. Also make sure that you are logged into your Electronic Arts account, and once you are, scroll all the way down and find this redeem code button and tap on it. On the next page, tap on the redeem button again and then enter your product code in the text box. After you are done entering the code, click the next button at the bottom right, and that is how you should be able to redeem your codes on FIFA Mobile. How to change stadium on FIFA Mobile. So without any further delay, let's get on with the video. Open your FIFA Mobile application on your mobile device and log into your account as well. Once you're in this main home page, tap on the store button at the bottom right. Now, select the event shop button at the top and tap on stadium on the left hand side menu. Stadiums can be bought with two things: stadium token and gem. Go ahead and select one of the stadium you'd like to change to and tap on it. Once you get to this page, you'll be able to see two options at the bottom. If you select the first option, you'll need to purchase your stadium with stadium token. If you have enough currency, you can get on and buy it with your stadium token. But if you don't have it, you can go ahead and spend gem by tapping on the next option. Once you go ahead and select the gem option, tap on this tap to open button and tap on continue. Now, go ahead and start a match and tap on this home stadium button. Select the stadium from this page. Now this one's the stadium that I have previously purchased. Once you get onto it, tap on select, then tap on the play button to play the match. And that is how you'll be able to change stadium in FIFA Mobile. how to change team in FIFA Mobile. First, open your FIFA Mobile application and then log into your account. Now, tap on the settings or the gear button at the top right hand corner from the main home page. From the list, tap on Select Crest. Now select the team you'd like to change to, and then after you are done, tap on the Select button on the right corner. There you have it. Your crest is now updated and you have successfully changed your team on FIFA Mobile. That is how you can easily change your team on FIFA Mobile. How to buy players on FIFA Mobile. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, open up the FIFA Mobile application on your mobile device like you normally do and log into your account. Once logged in, tap on the Marketplace button or the Market button at the bottom. From here, you can browse and buy players from other players around the world. Tap on the Search button at the top right and use the search function to narrow down your search for a specific player. You can type in the name of the player you'd like to purchase into the player name text box and search for them by the player's name, position, league, club, and more. After typing in the information, tap on Search in order to search for players. You can also browse through the available listings and select the player you'd like to buy. Once you find the player you'd like to purchase, tap on the Purchase button on the right corner. Select the quantity of your purchase by tapping the plus button at the bottom and then tap on Purchase. Now, tap the Confirm button in order to complete your purchase order. Once your purchase order has been confirmed, you'll be able to buy a player and the player will be added to your squad on FIFA Mobile. How to know your level on FIFA Mobile. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to know your current level number on FIFA Mobile, then make sure that you're logged into your account and you have the app opened up on your preferred device. Soon after you're logged in, you'll end up on this page. At the top left, you'll be able to see your username along with your level marked right below your username. If you tap on it, you'll be able to see your player profile. It says that I'm on my level 2 on FIFA Mobile. You can improve the level of your team by gaining XPs. Remember that XPs can be earned by playing matches and skill games and boosting up you and your player's skill. That is how you'll be able to find or know your level on FIFA Mobile. How to change your jersey on FIFA Mobile. So if you want to learn how, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, open your FIFA mobile game on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into one of your accounts. Once you're in this main homepage after logging in, click on the gear icon at the top right hand corner. This will now open up the Edit tab. Tap on the pencil icon right next to Select Crest and then from the left hand side, select the league you'd like to choose. For example, if you want to wear a PSG jersey, you can look for the League 1 option and then select PSG from the left hand side option. After you are done, tap Select and your jersey will automatically change. How to add friends on FIFA Mobile. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To add friends on FIFA Mobile, first, open your FIFA Mobile application. After you are logged into your account, tap the friends icon located at the top right hand corner. Now, you'll be able to see the friends tab displayed on the screen. Tap the human icon with a plus in it on the right corner. Here, you'll be able to find some of the recommended users. Tap the add friend button to select the person you'd like to add and then tap on Send request. Soon after you do that, your friend request will be sent. Tap on OK and wait for the person to accept your request. You can also tap on the search icon at the top right and then enter the username of the person you are trying to add. After you do that, tap continue. It'll then search for the person based on the username that you've given. After you find the certain someone, tap on add friend and tap send request to add friends on FIFA Mobile. How to delete players on FIFA Mobile. If you want to delete players on FIFA Mobile, then you can simply do it in a few simple steps. First, open your FIFA Mobile game on your mobile device and log into your account as well if necessary. Once you're inside this page, tap on the market option at the bottom. Now tap on My Players at the top of the screen. The number of players that you have will be displayed at the top. Select the player you'd like to delete and tap on Sell at the bottom right. Now tap on the Sell button again in the pop-up. Now tap on Confirm in the pop-up and then you'll be able to delete a player on FIFA Mobile. How to delete lineups in FIFA Mobile. To do so, first open your FIFA Mobile application on your preferred mobile device and then make sure that you're logged into your account. Here, I've been logged in with this account over here and it is showing me the main interface of my FIFA Mobile account. Now, to delete lineup, go and tap on the My Team option on the right hand side of the screen. Here, you'll be able to see all of the players that you have for your team. Here, simply go ahead and tap on the My Lineups option at the bottom right. And then tap the gear icon right next to the team you'd want to delete the lineup from. Now, right next to delete lineup, you'll be able to see a trash can icon. If you delete this particular lineup, your player will still be available in your roster. You can create new lineups through the Manage Lineup window. Tap on the trash can icon right next to delete lineup and tap on Save at the bottom. And you'll be able to delete your lineup on FIFA Mobile. How to log out of your FIFA Mobile account using a FIFA Mobile application. If you are looking for a way to log out or sign out of FIFA Mobile, then let me tell you that you'll not be able to find a log out button in the settings page of FIFA Mobile or anywhere inside the app. So if you want to log out of it, then you'll need to delete your FIFA Mobile application from your mobile device. Simply go ahead and hold the FIFA Mobile app icon and tap on the Remove App button and tap on Delete button twice. Once you delete your application, all of the data and information will also be deleted. Then go back to your App Store or your Play Store and search for FIFA Mobile by typing it in the search box. Download the application again and wait until the application gets installed on a mobile device. Once the application is installed, tap on Open and open FIFA Mobile
EA Sports. It's in the game.
And then you'll be able to see that the app has now started, and there you'll need to go ahead and enter your date of birth information and then click on Accept. The app will now act up as if it is being used for the first time on your device, which means you'll need to log into your FIFA Mobile account back again. Here, you'll need to select an account and get started with FIFA Mobile again. That was how you can easily log out of FIFA Mobile. Since there is no logout button within the app, you'll need to delete the application and reinstall it back again. How to delete your FIFA Mobile account. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, make sure that you've open your FIFA Mobile application and make sure that you are logged into your account as well. Once you're inside this main homepage, after logging in, tap on the gear icon at the top right hand corner. Now, scroll all the way down and you'll be able to see Account Deletion button at the bottom right. Tap the arrow right next to Account Deletion and then go through the terms and conditions first. It says that deleting your account will permanently delete all relevant information from your FIFA Mobile account, including deletion of game data and progress, deletion of your account balance, purchased items, unfriending of your friends, disbandment or handover of your league. If you're sure you'd like to delete your account, tap Continue at the bottom. Remember that the process of deleting your account cannot be undone and you'll be deleting your account permanently. So if you're sure you'd like to delete it, tap on this little box at the bottom and tap on Delete in the pop-up. Tap on Continue to confirm your account deletion. And that is how you can easily delete your FIFA Mobile account with a few simple steps. Tap on the Continue button to get back to the login screen. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.